not for the first time, confusion reigns at the Jamaica Football Federation. This time, the JFF Vice President, with responsibility for competitions, stated emphatically that no teams will be relegated this season from the Jamaica Premier League. Within a few hours, and amidst loud and bewildered cries, the same Vice President says, oops, mistake, 2 teams will be relegated and 2 teams will be promoted. This must be a world record public about turn. And look, this was not any kind of complex technical issue that required major consultation and research. This is the simple question of the format of the top league in the country, for which the person making the statement had direct responsibility. And the JFF Vice President simply should have known better. And speaking of which, it is the worst kept secret in local football that the said Vice President, Mr. Raymond Anderson, is doing some serious canvassing and campaigning with a view of challenging my crickets for the JFF presidency. Oops. We should have done. We never done shit.